Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft 365 using Azure Active Directory, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Microsoft 365 using Azure Active Directory, you first need to log into your Azure portal. Open a web browser and navigate to portal.azure.com. Enter your administrative credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, locate the left-hand navigation pane. Click on Azure Active Directory. In the Azure Active Directory section, select App Registrations. Now, click on the New Registration button at the top of the page. In the registration form, enter a name for your application. Select accounts in this organizational directory only for the supported account types. Move on to the Redirect URI section and choose Web from the drop-down menu. Input the appropriate redirect URI based on your application's requirements. After filling in the details, click on the Register button. Your application will now be created and you will be taken to its overview page. Next, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID displayed on this page. Proceed to the Certificates and Secrets section in the left navigation pane. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new secret for your application. Add a description for the secret and choose an expiration period. Then, click the Add button. Make sure to copy the value of the secret immediately as it will not be retrievable later. Now, navigate back to API Permissions in the left-hand menu. Click on the Add a Permission button. Select Microsoft Graph from the list of APIs. Choose Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions based on your application's needs. Select the permissions required for your application from the available options. After making your selections, click on Add Permissions. You may need to click Grant Admin Consent to enable the selected permissions. Next, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Go to admin.microsoft.com and log in with your admin credentials. In the Admin Center, navigate to Azure Active Directory from the left sidebar. From here, look for Enterprise Applications. Locate your registered application in the list and click on it to access its settings. Ensure that the application is set as enabled for users to log in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.